Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft. Folks, I love this airplane. Gorgeous, unique paint scheme. So much to tell you about her. She's a 1976 V35B. Custom paint, custom interior, lots of great STCs. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engine. Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engine conversion, GAMI fuel injectors, only 200 hours on the engine since factory new, and check out that 3-blade hot prop, only 200 since prop overhaul. Lots of nice features come with this V-tail. As you can see, Vortex generators, plenty of fuel to fly to our dream destinations, 114 gallons of usable fuel, and check out the DeShannon tip tanks. Now the custom paint scheme, I love it, and check this out, a compass rose theme. The exterior of this V-tail is unique and gorgeous. Custom paint, white overall with deep blue and pink ribbon stripes, 2,975 hours total time on the airframe since new. This V-tail comes with the 200-pound gross weight increase, 1254, that's our useful load. And look at this, in the back we've got sun shields. So come on in, let's check out the custom interior, custom leather seats in good condition, gray carpet in beautiful condition, 4-place intercom system for everyone, and shoulder harnesses for everyone on board. So let's take a look at your avionics. You will enjoy an EFIS PFD, Garmin G5 EFIS attitude indicator, Sandel EFIS HSI. We have a GPS map on board. It's a Garmin GTN 375 touchscreen with WAAS. Dual King digital nav comms. We have a Stormscope displayed on the Sandel EHSI. Your transponder is built into this 375 with ADS-B in and out. We have a King DME, a King ADF with RMI. The Autopilot is a Century 3 Autopilot with altitude hold and Glideslope coupling. You will also enjoy a yaw damp. It's an S-Tec yaw damp. Other features you will appreciate: DeShannon tip tanks, Vortex generators, aileron and flap gap seal STC, dual control wheels, Kennon sun shields, shoulder harnesses, all seats, high performance exhaust system, standby airspeed, altitude, and VSI, co-pilot slaved HSI, Rosen sun visors, GAMI fuel injectors, DeShannon engine baffles, 200-pound gross weight STC, JPI EDM 700 engine monitor, and more. So this beautiful 1976 V35B, she's looking for a new home. Folks, she's always been hangared. She's got this custom paint scheme that I'm crazy about. Beautiful interior, only 200 hours on the engine since factory new. Lots to love here. Now I do want you to know Bonanza Skull. It's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you V35. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We would love to meet you. Come take a test drive. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thanks so much for watching.